unwelcome behavior to a crew member. For security reasons, no line may form at the forward lavatory. Please use the lavatory in the cabin in which you are seated when available. Help us get ready for takeoff by making sure your seatbelt is fastened, your seat back, tray table, and tablet holder are up, and footrests in first class are stowed. All bags and larger items, including laptops, are completely under the seat in front of you. Smaller devices should be unplugged from seat power, in airplane mode, and held or secured. Please remember to review the safety information card. Thank you. We hope